lots of data leaks happen these days, and you don't want to be subject to that. You want to have someone who can handle that for you and have the comfort and trust that they will continue to handle it for it, so you won't have to do it yourself. But I was always obsessed with being close to the customer, understanding the different use cases, working with the team to understand the best solution to their use case, and just having this constant feedback loop of working with customers. I think you always have to be obsessed with the problem. Things will change. There'll be shiny new tech. AI will jump on the scene. You're like, AI will be a good solution to this problem. Not always. Depends on the context. But things change, the market changes, new shiny products and solutions come on. But if you're always obsessed with the problem, then you'll find the best solution. We are an authentication provider. We offer many things like plug and play with Passwordless, plug in with any social provider, so Google, Microsoft, solutions for sort of IDP, identity providers. So you want to log in with SSO with a Entra ID, or used to be called a Zero ID, but now Entra ID, or a Google Workspace, or Okta, or many different SAML providers. We offer out-of-the-box solutions, so it's really simple as just picking one of our SDKs. We have a whole range of front-end, back-end, mobile native SDKs, and integrate a minute basically with that SDK. And then you go into our admin dashboard and just toggle it on. And yeah, that's basically what Kinde is from a very high level. There's many things under that. The security is really complex. Like, the attackers out there are getting smarter. There's cases that people want to mitigate, and they come up with really complex scenarios that they know is an edge case, but that edge case can be exploited. And they ask us, how do you block that kind of stuff? And I love to hear it, because yes, we always want people to be certain we're blocking these certain scenarios. We will have an offering where you can jump into the Kinde admin, create different plans. So let's say, example business, you have a free plan, Pro, Premium. Free is free, Pro $50 per month, Premium is $100 per month. And maybe on that Pro and Premium, you want to have a certain unit cost per monthly active user, 50 cents on Pro, and then it's 40 cents per monthly active user in Premium, because you get a bit more better unit cost. You can go into Kinde, create different plans, create different features under those plans. So like, they'll get entitled to a certain amount of free, more in Pro, more in Premium. Allow self-service, so they just sign up, go through register into your product, entitled to those plans. And because we have monthly active user data as well, you can easily just charge based on that monthly active user and a base plan, or just within the Kinde platform, just plug in your Stripe account and basically do everything else and see which users and organizations are assigned to each plan, so you have a source of truth as well. Really, what I think makes a difference under the hood is being part of the DNA of security principles. So you're constantly obsessed with the modern security, and you're obsessed with making sure that you have a platform that has security at the heart. One thing I think is related to this that goes back to product is everything we do has a trade-off of security and experience. I was hired as a product manager or product owner. We don't buy titles here at Kinde, but I am the only product person here. But I don't spend probably majority of my day doing products. I do many things, wear many hats as you do in a startup.
There's a major advantage to doing sales and being in touch with the customer as a product owner, because you need to understand what the customers actually need.
So I do product, I do sales, and I do support, and my time between them is probably a third each. And then all these little things beneath the graps as well. I actually do product marketing as well. I actually control our socials and post on our socials all different marketing content for our products. So we envision a place